everyone.
Good morning,
Good morning,
everyone.
and
Welcome back to our
welcome back to
channel.
our channel. We're gonna do another video today, making some modifications to our bed. I'm sure if you haven't seen it as yet, you can go and check it out on our channel.
Yeah, we're gonna link it up in the card up below.
So we made a DIY king bed. You could see that video. It says DIY king bed under $70.
For $70.
Yeah.
Something like that.
So today we're gonna go ahead and make some modification by adding some upholstery to the framing of the bed.
Yeah, because I hit my toe on it and it hurt really bad.
So we're gonna try to eliminate those hazards by adding the upholsteries.
Yeah. Alright. Get the thing that we're gonna use. So this is what we're gonna use. It's curtain. We got it at Ross. It's only $16.99 because if you're to buy fabric, and the type of fabric that I need is very thick. So this is the room darkening one. Is very thick, and this is what I need. But yeah, I got it at Ross. It's only $16.99, and if I should buy fabric at the fabric store, it's like some of them can be like $12.99 a yard, and that's gonna be too small. So this should do it because the dimensions are 37 by 84, so I could cut one in 3 and still have one leave over. And we're gonna use project foam. I got it at Walmart for like $15.97 or something like that. So with both of these, we're still gonna be like within $100 for making the bed, even by adding the upholstery.
All right, everyone. So this is the frame as it looks right now, presently. This is the side. As you can see, these sharp edges right here. These are the hazards that we're gonna try to delete. So we're gonna get started on the project and we'll give you an update soon. All right,
now it is time to begin. Now we are just preparing the foam in order to measure it and cut it. We made 3 even cuts into the foam, one for each side rail and one for the foot rail. We're not going to do the one in the back because you're not going to see it. Now he's just making sure that the measurement that he did is going to match up to the side rail. So this is the nail that we're going to use. If you have a staple gun or a nail gun, you could use that. We just don't want to buy one, so we'll just use it. Now it's time to start nailing the foam to the side rail. If you have a staple gun to do this, this would be awesome. But we don't, so we have to just use what we have. So as you could see, we are done with the first side and getting ready to apply the fabric. So now we're gonna be using nails to apply the fabric also. Once again, if you have a staple gun, I highly recommend using it. So right here, we're just making sure that the fabric is smooth, coming from the bottom all the way over. Now, there is a easier way to do this. If we had done it when we built the bed initially, we wouldn't have to go through all this. We just put it on the side rail before attaching the side rails to the rest of the bed. Okay, so as you can see, the sponge, the foam was not enough for right here. But for us, it's not a big deal because it's not gonna show. And if we wanted to, I have some foam right here that I could have used, but it's fine. It could stay like that. You could just stay like that because the bedside, the side tape is gonna be tucked in. You're gonna see when it's done. So that's what it is. Now, since we need a lot of padding for the feet, we use some padding that we had. I got it in a present or something. So yeah, you could also buy this at Walmart, or if you have enough foam, then that's fine. We are almost finished. Guys, this part right here was very tricky. It takes a lot of folding and lining up, alignment, just to get the placement just right. We ended up wrapping the fabric all the way under the feet because that's the way we find that it was the easiest. And this is the end result. I am really loving the look. It looks so nice and it's safe. Now with the mattress on. There you have it, guys. That's it, the end result. If you haven't seen part one, please go and check it out. We are going to link it in the description below.